Hi everyone, welcome back on Study Room. We have completed our chapter. We have discussed every characteristics of population and every aspects in detail. But it's good to revise so that we clear our points. We have more clarity on concepts, right? So let's quickly revise the chapter and have brief discussion over it. What did we all study in the chapter? Very first thing is census. We studied about census. Census is an official enumeration. Enumeration means a process of listing anything or putting a list or stats or data, okay, of population done periodically, okay, means to check the population, check the number of population. Census conducts surveys and provides data to us. Okay, and this census survey is done periodically. Next, we talk about India's population. So, India's population, half of the India's population live in these five states, which are Uttar Pradesh, Maharashtra, Bihar, West Bengal, and Andhra Pradesh. Next, about population density. Population density is calculated as number of person per unit area. Okay, number of person living in per unit area. How many people are living in this particular unit of area is called population density. Moving on, we understand about the factors that influence the population. Okay, so the three major factors that influence population are birth, death, and migration. Next, about rates of population increase. Rates of population increase is simply at what rate a population is increasing, okay, and we also called it as annual growth rate. Okay, so giving examples, let's observe area A. This is area A in 2000, 2001 and 2002. Okay, so if in 2001 there are 10 people, in 2001 it's 12 people, in 2002 it's 14 people. So at what rate? So at the rate of 2%, the population is increasing every year, right? So we will call it as annual growth rate. Okay, at what percentage the population is increasing, we call it annual growth rate. Now we studied about various characteristics of population. This is very, very important. Population's characteristics are age composition, sex ratio, literacy rate, occupational structure, and health. Okay, so these are four major characteristics of population. Now, the very sensitive population we studied about is the adolescent population. This population constitutes 1/5 of total population of India. Okay, so 1/5 of total population. Next, we study about adolescent population, which is also the sensitive population. Next, and very important population that we studied about are adolescent population. They are very, very sensitive population to deal with, and they constitutes 1/5 of total population of India. Okay, total population of India. Okay, their nutrition requirements are higher than normal child or adult. Okay, because they are young people, are active people, so their nutrition requirement is it's higher than normal child or adult. Now, what are so we understand that population is a problem in our country. What is our government doing to find solution for this problem? So, very important step that government has initiated is a family planning program. Okay, it's a comprehensive initiative which was made in 1952 to have responsible. Okay, two important terms we understand here is responsible and planned parenthood. Okay, responsible and planned parenthood. Okay, so this was covered in family planning program in 1952. Next, about the NPP 2000, which is National Population Policy 2000. So, NPP provides a framework which includes three important things. Okay, so these three important things first focus on education. education as in, so government impart free education and compulsory for all the children up to age of 14 years. Okay, so government provide free and compulsory education to children up to 14 years of age. Second is focus on health, which is immunization. Okay, immunization is basically achieving universal immunization of children. Children are very, very sensitive. So, for example, today we take COVID vaccines for COVID, but there are various other bacterias which can be very, very harmful for children because their immunity is weak. Okay, so to stronger their immunity, making their body strong enough to fight with any kind of disease or illness, government has initiated this program in which there will be immunization of children. They will be immunized with various vaccines and will be protected. Next, third and very important thing here is promoting delayed marriage, girl marriage specifically. Okay, delayed girl marriage. So in our culture, we understand that in previous times, and today it's prevalent in some places too, that girls were married at a very young age. So under this program, this framework, uh, government has tried to protect this particular age group, this particular sex, which are of girls, obviously majorly to by promoting the delayed in marriage and prohibiting child marriage. So this was it in the chapter. I hope it is clear to you all. And this is very, very interesting to study, not for the purpose of books, but for the purpose of knowing and understanding better for us, understanding our society better. All right, so that's about it. I will see you all in the next video with some amazing chapters and amazing facts about social science. All right, bye. Take care.